Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Anyone who knows me knows that I love to garden. Whether it's flowers or vegetables, fruit trees or herbs, if I can grow it, I will. And that's why I'm obsessed with this countertop composter from Karfo. I love that not only am I reducing waste from my kitchen, but I can use that waste to help my garden grow. This composter comes with easy to read instructions along with a list of things that you can compost and things that you should not. I compost every day just from the things that I would normally throw into the trash, such as coffee grounds, not so fresh lettuce, burnt bacon, the ends of tomatoes, and the french fries that my kids didn't eat. I simply throw them into the bucket, put the bucket in the machine, and turn it on. There are 3 different settings for you to choose from. It's not loud while it's running, and with the carbon filter, even stinky foods such as onions and garlics don't make the house smell bad when it's running. And then when you're done, you have fresh soil and fertilizer for your houseplants, garden vegetables, or even your seedlings. I like to just sprinkle the fertilizer right on top of my plants. So if you're ready to take your gardening to the next level and even reduce your own family's waste, then I highly recommend this countertop composter from Karfo. And that's my point of view.